Have an iPhone that isn't charging, you can try this simple trick to see if it resolves your issue. It takes just a couple minutes. It's very easy and safe to do. You're not going to damage anything if you follow my instructions. You need only one item, and that is a paper clip, or if you don't have a paper clip, you could use a SIM eject tool, or if you're a little more sophisticated or have a nice set of tweezers that are pointy, you can use those as well. You can see how sharp those are. Those don't play. They will stab you. First, you want to take your SIM eject tool or paper clip or tweezers and just make sure there's nothing stuck to the end of it, because you don't want to introduce any dirt or debris into your port. So I don't know if you can see inside, but right down there it looks like there's something stuck in there. So all you want to do is gently reach to the back of the port, scrape all the way to one side, and you should see, just like that, I got a bunch of trash that just come out with it. Give it another scrape. A little more trash. Keep giving it scrapes. You can give it just a little force. Just don't put no force down or up. All your force goes into like a scooping motion, because you do not want to damage the pins inside the connector. So once you've done that, you should be able to plug your cable in, and you should feel a stark difference from before. Before, you might have plugged the cable in and it might have intermittently charged by wiggling the cable, or maybe not even at all. You could feel that it wasn't clicking in quite right. Well, now if I plug in a cable, it should click in nicely. So let's give that a test. You can see how that clicked in really nicely. It's sitting flush against the body of the phone, and it will take a charge now.